Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make eggs out of paper. First, gather your materials. You'll need paper, scissors, and glue. Consider using different colors and patterns to make your eggs unique and visually appealing. A clean, organized workspace will make the crafting process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get ready to create some beautiful paper eggs. Now, let's move on to cutting and shaping. Begin by drawing an egg shape onto your paper. You can use a template or freehand it. Cut out several identical egg shapes. 4 to 6 usually works well for a nice, full egg. Once cut, fold each paper egg precisely down the middle, ensuring the creases are sharp and even. This step is crucial for the three-dimensional effect. It's time to assemble your paper egg. Take one folded egg and apply a thin line of glue along one of its folded halves. Carefully press another folded egg onto the glued half, aligning the edges perfectly. Continue this process, adding one folded egg at a time until all your paper egg halves are joined together. This creates a lovely three-dimensional effect, making your paper egg truly stand out. Finally, let's add some finishing touches and display your beautiful paper egg. You can decorate your egg with glitter, stickers, or even draw patterns on it. For a hanging decoration, attach a small loop of string or ribbon to the top. Remember to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. These paper eggs are perfect for seasonal decor or as a fun craft project. Enjoy your handmade creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.